In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do mind mapping in Miro. Mind mapping is a powerful way to brainstorm and organize your ideas visually, and Miro offers a fantastic platform to do just that. So, let's get started. First, make your way to your Miro dashboard. Here, you have the option to either open an existing board, perhaps one you've been working on previously, or you can start fresh by clicking on New Board. Your choice depends on whether you are continuing an existing project or embarking on a new creative journey. Now, on your newly opened or existing board, glance at the toolbar on the left. You'll spot an option labeled More Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a variety of options and extensions that Miro offers to enhance your board. In the search bar within the More Apps panel, type in Mind Map. When it appears in the results, click on Add to Board. This action integrates the mind mapping feature into your board, giving you the tools you need to start building your map right away. The next step is to give your mind map a name. A good name will help you and your team quickly identify the purpose or topic of the map, making it easier to navigate later on or during collaborative sessions. With your mind map tool ready and named, it's time to start creating your mind map. Use the plus icon to create child branches or subtopics stemming from your central topic. These branches help you break down your main idea into smaller, more manageable parts, each representing a different angle or component of the central concept. As you build out your map, continue expanding by adding more nodes and branching out further. This allows you to explore and visualize the different facets of your ideas and how they interconnect, which is ideal for collaborative brainstorming sessions or personal project planning. To add clarity and better organization to your mind map, consider color coding the branches by topic or team. This visual differentiation can quickly communicate complex structures, making it easier for collaborators to follow along and contribute. Enhance your mind map further by adding icons, images, or notes to specific nodes. These additions can provide extra context, make nodes more memorable, and assist in conveying meaning without excessive text. Collaboration is one of Miro's strengths, so invite others to join your mind mapping session by clicking Share. This way, team members can contribute in real time, offering diverse perspectives and ideas. Finally, once you're satisfied with your mind map, click the three-dot menu at the top of the board to export your work. This can be useful for presentations, sharing with those not on the platform, or simply keeping a backup for future reference. And that's how you can create a mind map in Miro in just a few steps. Happy mind mapping!